Hey everyone, welcome to Future Tech Bytes. Here we'll dive into bite sized lessons on tools such as Angular, Java, Git, Kubernetes, Docker, and many more, perfect for building your skills one step at a time. Expect clear, practical demos to help you apply what you learned, whether you are a beginner or looking to level up. Our channel is all about mastering new technologies with ease. We offer bite sized, engaging tutorials that make complex tools like Angular, Java, Kubernetes, and system design approachable and fun. Now, why is this important? In our fast evolving tech world, staying up to date isn't just beneficial, it's essential. With our practical insights and innovative ideas, you'll always be the one step ahead. Remember, we're here to empower you with knowledge and skills to thrive. Let's dive deeper into what you can expect in upcoming slides, whether where we'll explore more tools and insights. As we explore what Future Tech Byte has to offer, let's dive into what you can expect. Firstly, we provide bite-sized lessons on essential tools such as Angular, Java, Git, Kubernetes, Docker, and many more tools and technologies. These are crafted to help you build your skills step by steps, making complex technologies approachable. Secondly, you'll gain insight into the latest tech trends and innovations. This ensures you stay ahead in the rapidly evolving tech landscapes. We aim to keep you informed and inspired. Lastly, our approach includes hand-on demos and communities Q&A sessions. This interactive learning environment is designed to enhance your understanding and engagements. You will have the opportunity to ask questions and learn directly from experts and peers. By participating, you will receive a continuous industry updates, keeping your knowledge fresh and relevant. Remember, engaging with these resources will keep you connected, informed, and ready to tackle future technological challenges. That's the peak sneak of what's coming on Future Tech Bytes. Tech tutorials, industry updates, and interactive learning to fuel your journey. Hit the subscribe button and join our community. Thank you.